So you want to know how much you can make from the pi cycle bottom signal and the top signal. Let's get into it now. What's up guys, hope everybody's well. My name's Aaron, this is UX Crypto, and I hope you're all doing well. Anyway, let's get straight into the content. Bam! So this is the pi cycle bottom and top indicators on the Bitcoin chart. This is a weekly chart, as you can see here. And yeah, I just want to get into it. And if you want to know a little bit more about this, check out my video that you can have here. Yeah. But anyway, so what we want to know is how much money can we make from this? How much profit, right? So if we go all the way back to 2012, right? This was 2012. And then you had a top signal go off, which we'll zoom in now and show you. Top signal went off, right? And then it went off at 1,100. And you would have bought in at a price around $2, right? So that is absolutely crazy returns. And if you stick it to around to the end, I'll show you exactly how much you would have made a percentage. And yeah, I'll literally mark this out on the chart as we speak. So next, bottom, right? So you would have bought at $207, and this would have been 2015, 16th of Jan, right? Buy signal goes off, right? And then you go and ride that all the way to 2017, right? If you was around back then, which I was, yeah, epic bull run, right? So yeah, and it marked the top, literally this indicator marked the top, 19,182, right? Marked out. And yeah, I'll show you the gains of that very soon. But as you can kind of estimate it in your head, that is a lot of gains to be made, right? Just from Bitcoin alone. And yeah, pi cycle bottom went off. You had 1 year bear market, right? So December to December, and this indicator went off, and 2018, and then 3,167, right? Mark the bottom again, right? So a really good indicator to mark the bottoms and tops. And then yeah, sell signal 59,785 went off. So again, really good gains, right? Really good gains. And you might say, hey, this wasn't accurate, right? Because we had a bit higher here, right? So if you go to how much that actually was the top, the actual top was like around 69,000, right? So we missed a little bit of gains on that, right? Didn't get the exact top, but still, nevertheless, really good, right? So when did it go off recently? The bottom, what's the buy signal? The buy signal was 18,650, went off July recently in 2022. So what does that mean? Do we think that if another pi cycle top indicator goes off in the future, where's that going to be? And do you think it's reliable? Well, I guess we're going to have to wait and see on that one. But don't you really want to know how much gains that we've actually made throughout the past, and how much do we think we could make in the future, right? So let's get back into the chart. So as you can see now, I have marked off the actual percentage gains. So we're going to go straight to the beginning of the chart so we can really have a little look. So we had 51,522%, right? That is pretty good, right? Not a bad day or walk in the park, eh? So the next cycle, right, from pi cycle bottom and to the top, 9,698%. Not bad again, right? But as you can see, you know, not 51, 9,000, right? Either way, really good. And then the next cycle, 2,003%, right? That is amazing. But one thing you can probably notice in this is that the percentage gains do diminish over time throughout the cycles, right? And we've kind of explained that in some of our other videos, which you can check out and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to see all of those. But yeah, what do you think is going to happen next time, right? So judging from the rules of percentages, right, we would obviously have a lot more diminishing returns. So for example, let's say we was to have a 4x, or let's say a 5 times your money, right? Where would that leave us from now? So obviously the pi cycle bottom was 18, so you could 5 times 18, and that would give you a really good number, which I'll literally show you right this second. Drum roll. Bam, here you go. So what is that? Well, you can't even see, but I will show you. There you go. So what's the price? The price, that's on a 5 times your money from the Bitcoin pi cycle bottom, and it is giving us a price of around 111,000, as you can see on the left hand side of the screen. Yeah, so what do you guys think about this? Do you think this indicator still has legs? Do you think they're going to be using this in the future? I know I've been using this in the past, and it's been doing pretty good for me. And yeah, if you like my videos, subscribe, check out my other videos. I've got a lot of videos like this. And yeah, press the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Anyway, see you at the top. Bam!